Bird and Kip. Kip Can't Sleep. Episode 3. The Funny Book. Kip was laughing. He was very loud. Bird could not sleep.
Please be quiet, Kip,
said Bird.
Sorry,
said Kip. Kip read some more. Kip laughed. Bird tossed and turned. Kip laughed. Bird covered her ears.
Ugh,
She said.
I can't sleep. Kip is keeping me awake.
Bird flew up to Kip's hole.
Kip,
Said Bird.
I'm trying to...
Kip laughed.
Hey, Bird,
Said Kip.
this book is so funny. Here, read this part.
Kip gave the book to Bird. Bird read. Bird laughed.
That is funny.
Bird sat down. She ate some popcorn. Bird read some more. Bird laughed.
Where did you get this book?
She asked. Kip didn't answer.
Kip?
Said Bird. Bird looked at Kip. He was asleep in his bed. Bird and Kip. Kip Can't Sleep. Episode 1. Wide Awake Kip. It was late at night. Kip was wide awake. Kip looked at his books.
I have so many books,
Said Kip.
I'll stay up and read all night.
Kip made some popcorn. He took a book off the shelf. He sat down in his cozy chair.
I have everything I need.
Said Kip.
I have a good book and some popcorn. I just wish Bird was here.
Kip peeked out his hole. He looked down at Bird.
She's sleeping.
Said Kip.
I shouldn't wake her up.
Kip went back to his cozy chair. He ate some popcorn. He opened his book. Kip started to read. It was a very scary book. It was about a spooky ghost.
Ah!
Cried Kip. Popcorn went everywhere. And Bird woke up. Bird and Kip. Kip Can't Sleep. Episode 2. Kip Is Scared.
Bird flew up to Kip's hole.
Are you okay?
Asked Bird.
I was reading a scary book.
Said Kip.
It's the middle of the night.
Said Bird.
Why are you awake? I'm staying up all night.
Said Kip.
Have fun.
Said Bird.
I'm going back to sleep.
Bird flew down to her nest. She went to sleep.
Bird!
Called Kip.
What?
Asked Bird.
I'm still scared.
Said Kip.
That book was really scary. There's nothing to be scared of.
Said Bird.
Can you stay up with me?
Asked Kip.
No!
Said Bird.
I'm tired. Read a funny book. Then you won't be scared.
Bird went to sleep. Kip found a funny book. He sat down. He ate some popcorn. Kip opened the book. Kip laughed. Bird woke up again.